Do you want to improve your posture and feel more confident? If yes, then you're in the right place. Welcome to our journey of power yoga for posture perfection, where we aim to transform not just your body, but also your mind. Good posture is not just about standing tall, it's about feeling a sense of inner strength and confidence. Let's kickstart our practice with the mountain pose, a simple yet powerful pose that lays the foundation for perfect posture. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, let your shoulders melt away from your ears, and let your arms hang loosely by your sides. Engage your core muscles and imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head, helping lengthen your spine. Feel the grounding energy from the earth beneath you, and let that energy radiate through your entire body. Now that you've found your grounding, let's move into a pose that brings strength and stability. From mountain pose, transition into warrior two, a pose that strengthens your legs and core while improving your balance. Step your left foot back, keeping both feet firmly planted. Bend your right knee, aligning it directly over your ankle, and extend your arms parallel to the ground. Feel the strength and stability in your legs as you gaze over your front fingertips. This pose not only strengthens your lower body, but also opens your chest and shoulders, promoting better posture. Now let's take it to the mat. We'll flow through a series of poses designed to awaken and mobilize the spine. Starting with cat-cow pose, position yourself on all fours. Inhale as you arch your back, drawing your chest forward and lifting your gaze. Then exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest and drawing your navel in towards your spine. This dynamic movement helps to increase flexibility in the spine, which is crucial for good posture. Next, press back into downward facing dog. Lift your hips towards the sky and press your heels towards the ground. This pose not only offers a deep stretch for your hamstrings and calves, but it also strengthens your shoulders and core. By engaging your core, you're supporting your lower back, which is key to maintaining good posture. Having awakened our spine and stretched our muscles, it's time for a gentle twist to release any remaining tension. In a seated position, extend your legs in front of you. Bend your right knee and cross it over your left leg. Place your left hand on the outside of your right knee and gently twist to the right, using your right hand for support behind you. This twist not only promotes spinal mobility, but also helps to relieve stress and tension, which often contribute to poor posture. So, there you have it. A series of yoga poses that can help you improve your posture, feel more confident, and alleviate any discomfort. Remember, good posture is not just about standing tall, it's also about feeling good in your own skin. So, keep practicing, and you'll see improvements in no time. Until next time, namaste. Join me on the mat for a seated twist, a pose that promotes spinal mobility and releases tension. As you sit tall with your legs extended, bend your right knee and cross it over your left leg. Place your left hand on the outer side of your right knee while using your right hand for support behind you. Breathe deeply, and with each inhale, imagine your spine growing taller. With every exhale, allow your body to twist just a little bit more. Feel the gentle release of tension with each rotation. Incorporating this sequence into your daily routine can bring about significant improvements in your posture. But remember, posture perfection is more than just physical. It's a journey of self-discovery and confidence building. Remember, improving your posture is not just about physical alignment, but also about cultivating confidence and well-being from within. Share your progress in the comments, and until next time, namaste.